This tutorial guides you through adding new programs in the HEMSP Student Portal. You will learn how to input program details, set dates, and finalize the program entry. Click here to begin adding a new program in the portal. Click Add New to start creating a new program record. Click in the box to enter the program title. Click the Campus Select list to assign this program to a campus. Click to select a program type from the list. Click to select a date type. Click Next to continue to the following section. In Step 2, you can add more details about the program if you have the Virtual Assistant service enabled. In Step 3, you can add Quote Builder add-ons if you have the Quote Builder service enabled. In Step 4, you will find the existing custom properties that are created and assigned to programs. You can add default values for some of these custom fields. Click Finish to finalize the program information entry. Click the program name to access the program details. Click Start Dates tab to add program dates. Click Add Dates to input program start and end dates. Click Add Dates to include more date entries. Click the Date Picker to select a start date. Click End Date Toaster to specify the program's end date. Click to select an existing schedule. Click to select a campus. Click Finish to complete the program addition process. Click the Start Dates tab to review the added program start dates. Click to view the available actions for the added date. You have successfully created a new program in the HEMSP Student Portal by following the program creation steps and then accessing the program to add dates.